Okay, if you've got an L20 or an L30 Yazicilar food processor, there is a modification to get rid of the handle slipping off and the scraper falling into the bowl. There's just a silicone wash that holds it in place. People have complained about it, so I'm going to show you what the retrofit kit is to stop that from happening. So take your lid, unscrew the bush in it. In the kit you'll have a new one. Just make sure you start the thread properly without cross-threading it. Okay, screw it in tight until it comes up against the perspex or the acrylic, whatever you want to call it. So take your scraper, place that in there, place the scraper there, and you've got two bushes. Large one first, then the small one, and then you will get an exchange handle that's modified like that. Place that there, put the bolt in, and screw it all up. So the handle can't slide into that and come off. This is holding, the bushes are now holding it. Doesn't matter what you do, no silicone worn out that's going to drop it. And just when you put it down, just remember you've got to have the scraper back this side. And that's the modification complete. For the customer, just to clean his lid, lift it up, undo the nut, handle off, the nut, remove your bush, remove your lid, and the scraper comes out for washing. And then once again, put the scraper in, put the lid in, put the large bush, the smaller bush, and if you get it up the top, put your handle on. Once you get the thread started, it's all held in place. Just line the handle up with the slots, line the bush up, and it's done. And make sure your pouring spout doesn't get under here. So that's it. Smooth. Just make sure it spins and it's the same tension all the way around. That means that the bowl is lined up to the cross brace, the lid holder, and that's it.